Hi, and welcome back to Right Style Cooking TV. Today I'm gonna do a dry jerk seasoning. One tablespoon onion flakes, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 2 teaspoons thyme, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground allspice, 1/4 teaspoon grated nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons sugar, 1/2 teaspoon ginger, 2 teaspoons dried chives, 'Chives is also green onion, dried, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon granulated garlic. Gonna mix all of these together. Like I said before, this is a dry jerk seasoning. This seasoning is an excellent mix to have on hand to sprinkle on cooked or uncooked fish, vegetables, meats, or snacks. It does not have a strong flavor. Have this rub, add the rub on the jerk marinade. To increase the heat in this seasoning, you'll have to add more cayenne pepper. Okay, after you thoroughly mix this, I'll be using this in a few minutes. But if you wish to keep it, mix it and keep it, you'll have to put it in a jar, keep it closed, and it can be served or saved for over a month or two. So this is a dry jerk seasoning. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this video or to this channel. Thank you.